Welcome, fellow travelers, adventurers, and curious souls. Join me on an exhilarating journey as I set out on two wheels, embarking on an epic motorcycle road trip from the historic city of Amritsar to the breathtaking landscapes of Ladakh. Being a travel enthusiast, it was a long standing plan for me to undertake a ride across the terrains of valleys and high mountains. This time, I have timed it out aptly as a gratitude journey to cherish the retirement from my dream service. Another reason for me to connect these places was obvious as I got my commission in Leh Ladakh, where I have started my uniform journey, and the holy city of Amritsar, where I hung my uniform and entering the civilian life. This isn't just a travelogue, it's a tale of traversing through diverse terrains, immersing in the vibrant culture, and connecting with the soul stirring beauty of northern India. On this winter morning, I got up very early and was filled with joy and enthusiasm, thinking about the journey I had to undertake. If you ask me about the preparations I have made, I may have to look down as other than servicing my bike, having done anything great and just relied on my confidence of going into an army country. Yes, you heard it right, as my greatest confidence was that wherever I may get stuck, there will be army for help.
Hello, good morning, namaskaram. This is Lieutenant Colonel Vivek Naya. Today I'm speaking to you from Amritsar. I'm starting a journey. It's a motorcycle ride to commemorate and celebrate my 14 years of service in the Indian Army. I'll be riding from Amritsar till Leh to remember my commission in Leh and my retirement from Amritsar. So it's very special for me. So I'm starting from Amritsar. Nearby Wagah Atari border, and from here I'll follow Gurdaspur, Pathankot and Poonch, then Mughal Road and then Kashmir Valley, from there to Kargil, Drass and Leh. That's what I have initially planned. So let's see, I hope to create a lot of memories and to learn a lot of values on the road. I will keep upload my videos and experiences, and let's hit the road.
Welcome to Amritsar, a city where life throbs amidst a whirlwind of chaos, heritage, and colorful chaos. Nestled in the heart of Punjab, this city isn't just a destination. It's a symphony of experiences, a cultural mosaic waiting to be explored amidst the hustle and bustle. Amritsar, meaning pool of nectar, draws its name from the spiritual oasis, the golden temple, the beating heart of Sikhism. This sacred shrine isn't just a place of worship, it's a sanctuary amidst the cacophony of the city's traffic and commotion. As you navigate through the bustling streets, the blaring horns, rickshaws, and swarms of pedestrians create a frenzied backdrop against the serene beauty of the Golden Temple's gleaming structure. Wander through the labyrinthine alleys of the old city where the clash of vehicles and the vibrant street life create a dizzying symphony. Amidst the chaos, the sense of sizzling street food blend with the beats of traditional Punjabi music. The locals, with their infectious energy and boundless enthusiasm, navigate through this organized chaos, welcoming you with a mix of warmth and hurriedness. Amritsar isn't just about history and chaos, it's a city of culinary adventures. Amidst the traffic snarls, indulge in the sumptuous flavors of authentic Punjabi cuisine, savor the buttery richness of makki di roti and sarson da saag, relish the aromatic spices of tandoori dishes amidst the hustle and find respite in the sweet embrace of lassi, delightful yogurt-based drink. As I started moving outside of the city, the traffic started reducing and the sceneries across the roads started improving. Density of the unstructured buildings started reducing. Open fields started emerging to both sides of the roads. The journey to Jammu was on NH 54 till Pathankot. Pathankot is the northernmost district of Punjab. National Highway Authorities has developed a very good road network in this region. A ride along these roads through green paddy and wheat fields is really an unforgettable one.
I am at Gurdaspur bypass. So Gurdaspur is a district in Punjab, um, and it's a border district, and it got a lot of significance not only for Punjab but as in India as a nation altogether. So this highway which I have come all the way along from Amritsar is connecting Pathankot and further to Jammu, which is National Highway 54. गुरदासपुर तक the road is very good and काफ़ी enjoy किया ride यहाँ तक. Now Gurdaspur, if you go back to little history, it says that Gurdaspur during the initial plans of partition, that is 1947-48, that time because of the population dynamics of this place was decided to be in Pakistan. However, later when political planners carried out a rethought, they came to know that the only roadhead which is connecting India, that time India or the mainland with J&K was going through Gurdaspur. Now in earlier times we know that all road communication to Jammu and Kashmir was from present day Pakistan, that is Sialkot, and from there all roadhead and railhead emerged for Jammu and Kashmir. So those times, at the time of partition, there was a delay in J&K joining India. So because of which there was a lot of uncertainty prevailing that what to do about the roadhead or the communication, the network, the transportation. So nothing was there. So as per some records of which I have read in Partition Museum in Amritsar and through other reports, the plan of Gurdaspur going to Pakistan was later changed, and instead of Gurdaspur, that Gurdaspur was given to India, and in that place India had to give Lahore. So you know how big bargain was that to exchange in between Lahore and Gurdaspur. Lahore that time it was a very well-known political city, and more than that it got a lot of importance in the erstwhile Sikh Empire. The capital of Sikh Empire was Lahore, and entire Punjab, the olden day Punjab, was ruled from Lahore. So that big size of a city was given for a place like Gurdaspur, and later now it has proved that strategically that decision was very correct, because of which India could maintain the connectivity, and later during 47-48 war we could connect J&K, and in J&K's accession to India was completed because of that one wise decision, because of which Gurdaspur is still in India. famous drive-through in Pathankot. Whenever I travel in this route, I always take a break at this place. So Pathankot, the main city is towards inside, and now through the bypass we are bypassing and on the Jammu Pathankot road. Pathankot was in news for some time back. You all know that Pathankot there was a major militant attack happened. This is again a border district, because of which a lot of such activities keep on happening over here, like militant infiltration, lot of smuggling. So even though those problems are there, but there's a very good place where the plains of Punjab is ending over here. Like from here it is 11 kilometers approximately for Lakhanpur toll plaza. Lakhanpur is from where the J&K starts. That is basically the Kathua area. So everyone, currently we are at over Ravi, that is Ravi river. You can see Ravi river is flowing behind me. So we are over the Ravi bridge, which is connecting Punjab and J&K. Across this bridge the J&K, the Jammu is starting. That is the Lakhanpur checkpost. So towards right of me in Ravi river there is a famous headworks is there, which is known as Madhapur headworks. So Ravi river, we know that in the Punjab, the name itself says that it is 5 rivers. So in Punjab, if you consider, earlier the Punjab of 5 rivers is erstwhile Sikh kingdom, where all these 5 rivers are existed. Nowadays not all those rivers are in Punjab, current Punjab. So in Punjab the rivers are known as Ab, and the place in between rivers are known as Doab. So now we were traveling in between the Doab, between Ravi and Bias. So after crossing Ravi and after entering the Jammu region, we will now be traveling between the areas of Chenab river and Ravi river. So and the Punjab is historically it's very rich and heavily cultivated because of the presence of these waterways which are coming from the high Himalayas. The Doladar ranges towards our right is visual on the farther side. And the Ravi is flowing from east to west, and it is further towards my back, it is flowing towards Pakistan. And now at present you can consider that I am sitting in that place, I am standing in that place which is generally known as the Chicken Neck area. From here we are entering Lakhanpur TCP and then further to Jammu region, Kathua, Samba. That will be the route which we will be following.
Now I am crossing Lakhanpur TCP. This checkpost is of very significance to Jammu and Kashmir as maximum goods and passenger transportation to the state of Jammu and Kashmir through road happens through this checkpost. So normally you will find a lot of traffic blockade near this checkpost, which has to be crossed after a lot of clearing security checks, and then you can enter into the Kathua district of Jammu and Kashmir. I am entering the Jammu city, which is also known as the city of temples, due to its proximity to a lot of temples. The famous one indeed is Vaishno Devi Mata temple. I have visited Jammu a multiple times, hence not riding inside the city, and instead took a diversion to Aknoor as I am planning to follow Mughal Road to Kashmir. So from Jammu, I will be following NH 144 Alpha along Aknoor, Nowshera, Rajouri, Poonch, Mughal Road, then further to Srinagar, Kashmir Valley.
Hello, I am currently at Aknoor. So we just crossed Aknoor. Slight difficulties I faced while coming to Aknoor. You know, motorcycle ride is not that an easy one. While reaching Aknoor, my motorcycle got some problem while repairing it. I got delayed. So my plans for reaching today till Poonch will not be possible as of now. But however, at least I'm happy that I could cross Aknoor, and I am moving towards a place called Sunderbani. So Aknoor is a very important place strategically for India, as we know that the place is very close to the IB,
the view which is behind me, if you can look in the far distance, it is connecting. We can the Pakistan, and even from this position, we get a clear view of the plains of Pakistan, and further Chenab is running towards Pakistan from this side itself, and Akhnur, if you go back medieval history, the Akhnur was a major point where people used to take halt, like Mughals and all, when they were. It was part of their caravan route from Afghanistan to India, and they used to take rest over here. There is a famous Akhnur fort also is there, and the area is mainly dominated by a people of a particular caste called Dogras, and this place is very famous for the 1965 war. During that war, Pakistan has advanced till and almost occupied a lot of the present day territory which is with India. India had to literally sweat out and push the Pakis out of this area, and today also because of the strategical importance, because Pakistan could easily cut off the rest of the axis which I am moving towards Nowshera and Rajouri, and further towards the areas like Pak occupied Kashmir and the southwestern areas of the JNK can be cut off if they do an advance towards Akhnur. So that is why Akhnur is very militarily important and strategic as far as India is concerned. So let's hit the road for further till Sunderbani. See you.
Lost a lot of time while repairing my bike. It became night very soon, and which further troubled the journey, as the road which I was passing through was devoid of all street lights. That was the remotest of the journeys which you can expect in India. There were some vehicles on the road, however, in most of the areas, because of new road widening projects were going on, it was difficult to find the dividers, identify the gutters, but still, that is a fun of motorcycle ride. Now my aim is to reach Sunderbani, catch journey for tomorrow. Finally, I reached the army unit where I am supposed to take my night halt. I'll be resting here and I will try to start my journey as early as possible tomorrow to hit Poonch and then explore along the road. Till then, see ya.